Good morning. This is Subramanian, Chandramouli, author and sales specialist. Welcome to Monday Morning Motivation, episode number 34. And topic for today is mindset of champions. What is their mindset? Champions, they don't compare. What do? They work on themselves towards excellence. Their philosophy is simple. Keep improving every day. So every day they want to become better than their yesterday. And they continuously work towards their excellence. And one day their better version will become the best than the rest and they become champion. Simple. Keep on improving. They are not happy with what they currently achieve. Take any champion. Manu Bakar, Virat Kohli, D. Gugesh, Messi, Sachin. They always want to be better part of themselves, right? They are not happy with their current achievement or current target, what they achieve. They want to do more. They have that urge. And they don't compare themselves with anybody. Okay, so learning from them, what we should do, we should not compare ourselves with our friend, our classmate, our colleague or our neighbor, what they achieve. No, the only comparison is self, and we have to become better than ourselves every single day, and one day we'll be a champion. So let all of us work towards this mindset of champions. Let's learn from champions and achieve whatever we want to achieve in our life. Thank you once again. See you soon next week. This is Subramanian Chandramouli, author and sales specialist.